This video is a talking head and it's a check-in, guys, because lots of us are fans of PC hardware. We like to keep up with all the latest stuff. We like to upgrade our systems. We're enthusiasts. It's what we like, isn't it? But you've got to think, do I actually really need that upgrade? Or is there something else in my life that's lacking? Now, you probably think that's one of the dumbest things that I could possibly say. I own a PC building company. It was stupid of me to tell you that you don't need an upgrade, but this channel isn't an advert reel. It's me, really. I just happen to own a company that I can promote on the channel. I'm here to tell you, you don't need to upgrade your PC. I mean, probably. The key question to ask yourself is, will spending this money actually change my experience in any tangible way? So tangible obviously being something you can actually grab, something that has a bit of substance to it. If the answer is no, then we're off to a poor start, aren't we? Because why are we upgrading at all? I mean, if you're rich and you're flush with cash, that's one thing, you've got the disposable income, but I suspect most of you actually aren't in that position. Now, if the answer to that question is yes, then go ahead and upgrade, but make a reasoned decision that makes sense for you. And don't buy this stuff on credit or finance, because over the term of your finance, you're going to be paying at least 20% more, putting yourself into more debt. I'm going to take a bit of a different tack in this video, because there's lots of things besides PC tech that can influence our lives for the better. I'm not turning my channel into a self-improvement garbage thing, don't worry. It's still going to be about computers, but I think it's just time for a bit of a perspective shift. So if you're thinking about spending a load of money on a PC, think about this. Are you in any kind of debt? If you're in debt, you need to get rid of your debt. That should be your number one priority, because that is just a weight holding you down. Now, listen, I know, guys, you're going to put in the comments something about debt can be used strategically and all that. Actually, that's true, but usually it's for people that, ironically, have enough money to not need the debt in the first place. Whole different topic. Not going to go into it. But if you have consumer debt, you need to get rid of it. Much more important than your PC. It's all very well and good having a nice PC, but if you can't afford the rent on your house, you've not got anywhere to live. How many of you guys are PC gamers, but you're not looking after your health? Now, you may or may not know this, but as well as running this channel and this company, I'm also a doctor, so it's really important to me that people lead healthy lifestyles, because I've seen firsthand the effect of not leading a healthy lifestyle. Honestly, it's fine in your early years. You will not even notice that you're unhealthy, but as you get old, you basically crumble. All your normal physiology will be completely deranged and you're not going to be able to bounce back from illness. Whereas if you keep yourself healthy in your earlier life, and that includes things like sometimes not playing PC games and getting down to the gym, getting some good food in. Guys, not looking after yourself, it seems fine in the moment, but it's really not. And you're going to really pay for this later. So I would say, before spending money on a gaming PC, think about, are there ways that I can optimize my nutrition? Thinking about supplements like omega-3. Again, this isn't medical advice, but things like omega-3, multivitamins, vitamin B12, vitamin D, important things that most of us don't get enough of. Do you have any sports or active hobbies? It doesn't have to be lifting weights at the gym. That's just what I like, but maybe you like a bit of football, maybe you like archery, something. Really anything, something to keep you active. This is really, really important. How many of you guys spent a load of money on a gaming PC, but the mattress you sleep on at night has horrible, old, worn springs in it that dig into your back and give you back pain? Don't spend the money on the PC. Get a new mattress, because that is going to enhance your life in ways that you don't even know. Having a good night's sleep, it's like the best super drug that's ever been invented. How many of you guys spend money on a posh gaming PC, but none of your clothes fit properly? They look worn, they look old. Remember, our image is really important in the modern day. Good, high quality, well-fitting clothes and a good haircut, good grooming routine, and just generally looking after yourself are things that you should invest in. Maybe even more so than your gaming PC. Now, you might not like what I've said. You know, it's quite hard to face the fact that sometimes we need to improve ourselves. But I think if you're honest with yourself, you'll know that there's some areas in your life that are more important to improve than the components in your gaming PC. Now, all this is to say that, yes, of course, upgrade your gaming PC if you want, But you've got to just take a step back and think about all the other things in your life that could do with improvement. And I think that's where I'm going to leave the video today, because this has probably gone on long enough. I'm sure nobody is listening anymore. But if you did, please leave a comment below. Tell me what you thought, and if there's something I've missed in terms of ways that people can improve their lives, or if you actually disagree and think that PC gaming is something really worth investing in over the things that I've mentioned. I'd be really interested to hear about that. But until next time, I'll catch you.